Emergencies occur daily in the UK and around the globe, stemming from severe weather, natural hazards, intentional actions, accidents, or infrastructure failures. These emergencies can be sudden and brief, lasting only a few hours, to a prolonged period of time. Consider these simple and effective steps to prepare for emergencies and the disruptions they cause. Many of these actions apply to various emergencies and can be implemented quickly and without cost. Some things you can consider include understanding the risks in your local area, including checking your flood risks, reviewing information on issues like flooding and power cuts, and learn what you can do before and during an emergency. Sign up for alerts and warnings. Acquire basic first aid skills through free or paid courses. Check if your workplace or location has an emergency contact plan, especially for power cuts. And finally, determine if you are eligible for the Priority Services Register, PSR, for additional support from your gas, energy or water providers during supply interruptions. Visit thepsr.co.uk for more information and contact your supplier to register. It's essential to plan ahead, and these things could include identify the safest escape routes from your home in case of fire or flooding, and discuss these with your household members. For situations where returning to home is not possible, choose a meeting point, such as a nearby community hub. Write down important phone numbers and store them in an accessible location. This list should include the power cut reporting number, emergency contacts, regular medication details, radio station frequencies for news updates, and insurance policy information. Consolidate this information using downloadable and printable household emergency plans. Keep it with important documents like passports and birth certificates for easy access during an evacuation. Add emergency contacts and medical information to your mobile phone under ICE or Medical ID for use by emergency services, being mindful of sensitivity of this information. Teach children what to do in an emergency and include how and when to call the emergency services. Resources for children are available on the Staywise website. Ensure they know their home address and their parents' or guardian's mobile number, and practice these details regularly. Finally, ensure your child's school has the correct contact information and emergency plans for scenarios like severe weather, utility loss, and fire. You should prepare your home and know what to do. This includes complete an online home fire safety check to enhance fire safety in your home. Set reminders to check smoke alarms monthly and learn more about fire prevention. Know how to turn off your gas, electricity and water in emergencies like flooding or leaks. Ensure your home or business has appropriate insurance coverage, such as flood insurance. If you live in a flood-prone area, take additional steps to prepare your property. Finally, review the advice for any adverse weather conditions to help protect your home better. These steps can significantly improve your preparation for emergencies, ensuring that you and your household are ready to respond effectively and safely.